Our double can unfold itself in our physical body or not. That if you are alive, then you are unfolded. We are all unfolded. Yes, we are unfolded in our perception of time. Our double is processing at quantum speed all this information of the environment, of our past experiences, and of our future possibilities of survival all the time, all day long. He wouldn't be doing this, we would be dying soon, because he's the one that makes us help us with us being balanced. But when I say he, I mean me, myself. It's me, myself, is us at two different perceptions of time at the same time. My physical body is perceiving very slowly reality, and that helps us to have a very flavor in this level of existence. And our virtual double having another experience in another speed, and is taking care that we keep alive. And so that's why he's all the time like checking future possibilities of for us to be able to exist. He will go to the past, not only our experiences, but all the experiences that every single living organism had in the planet since the beginning of time until now. And that's why he can anticipate all the best futures for our body to survive. For example, getting very hot, my double will bring me my instincts information to be able, for example, to be a bit more comfortable. Maybe I'm thirsty. If I'm hungry, then I will start feeling it. So in that case, the double will be bringing, like in anticipation, possibilities, or will prepare our physical body to be balanced with the changes that we are living in the environment. Clients that are taking the sessions and courses of the double and how does it work, for example, having a stomach ache, and they don't realize why. We discover afterwards is that 3 weeks before or 1 month before they were going to be fired. And so during the night, the double will take all the experiences that you are having during the day and will make you be alert for the case, like in this case, that they fire you. Because for the double has registered already that your work for you is very important, in case that you think it's very important. That's why it's so important what we think. Because then maybe we start having stomach aches or some symptoms of our body is not balanced, because we thought that if we were going to lose our job, our family was going to die of hunger, or we are going to have a very difficult situation. Every night our body starts to become unbalanced.